Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to rename your computer in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. The first method is to right-click the Start button on the taskbar and select Settings from the menu. Once Settings opens, you'll usually be on the home page. Near the top, you'll see your computer's current name along with a Rename button. Click Rename to open the Rename Your PC window. If you don't see the Rename button on the home page, don't worry. Click on System in the left-hand menu. At the top of the page, you'll find your current PC name and the Rename button. This was the second method. There's also a third method. Scroll down to the bottom of the System page and click About. At the top of the About page, you'll see your device name along with a Rename This PC button. Clicking it opens the same Rename window. Fourth and last method is Open File Manager. Then right-mouse click on this PC icon and choose Properties. This opens the System About category. On your right, click the Rename PC button. Now simply type the new name you want to use for your computer. Keep in mind that your PC name can contain letters, numbers, and hyphens, but it can include spaces or special characters such as question marks, slashes, or colons. Windows also limits the computer name to 15 characters. After entering your new computer name, click Next. Windows will ask you to restart your computer to apply the change. You can restart immediately or choose to do it later. The new name will take effect after the restart. And that's it. That's how you rename your computer in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.